Courtney, what are you cooking today?
We are doing a freeform, I say we, I'm doing it, freeform apple pie using gorgeous Pink Lady apples. Homemade pastry, it's super simple, and there is a salted butterscotch sauce to go with it. It is an absolute winner. It's on the show later today.
Yum. Thanks.
Everybody, this is one way to brighten up your Monday. I am on Sunrise in the next couple of minutes making a freeform apple pie. Delicious Pink Lady apples in a cream cheese pastry, and we're topping it off with a salted butterscotch sauce. I'm telling you, this is a winner. Tune in, Channel 7, in the next 5 minutes. This will never fail you. It is flour, butter and some baking powder in the food processor. Blitz that, and then you add some cream cheese and a dash of cream, and it's a really lovely. And then we just.
Place for it isn't even.
Where is it?
He's out of the studio.
It doesn't
It must be in the bathroom. Oh, here he is.
And
Surprise.
then butterscotch sauce.
Cream, ice cream, custard, or both, or all of them.
Cream, ice cream, custard.
Thank you, Court.
everything.
Brett's is going to do the taste.
That didn't take long.
Just doing my taste testing role and approved. This is good news.